Now let us write a Java program that deals with the strings. Our program receives the name from the user and simply prints it. So it's a new project, Java application. Suppose the name of the project here is using strings. Finish. Okay, now as the program is expected to get the string from the user, so we have to give a reference to the scanner class here. Means we have to use the import statement, import java.util.scanner. Now in the main method, first of all we have to declare a variable of the class string, because within that variable we want to store the value which will be entered by the user. So string, let the name of the variable is name. Next, as we want to scan the name from the user, means user is expected to input the name, so we have to give a reference to the scanner class. Means we have to create an object of the class scanner. Let the name of the object is s1, so equals to, the syntax is scanner s1, s1 is the object, equals to new scanner, and within the parentheses we have to write system.in, which is a reference to the standard input device. But now, okay, now we want to flash, first of all we want to flash a message on the screen that the user understand that the system is asking for the name. System.out.println, enter your name. Now once this message gets flashed on the screen, then we have to write the statement which actually shall scan the string from the user. So it is basically s1 dot next. After the skin gets after the user inputs that value, so it is to be assigned to the name variable. So name equals to s1 dot next. Actually what we have done here is we have called the next method of the class scanner with the help of s1 object, which is an object of the class scanner. Okay, then now once this statement is executed, it means the name variable of the class string shall be assigned a string which is input by the user. Okay, then after inputting it, we simply want to print what has been input by the user. System.out.println your name is, it is the string, it is the message that will be displayed, and system.out.println, or simply print if we want to print in the same line, then it is name. Now let us run the program. Enter your name. Suppose we are inputting Ashutosh, A-S-H-U-T-O-S-H, Ashutosh. So it's saying your name is Ashutosh. Your name is Ashutosh. So the string is input and it is received in the name variable, and accordingly it is printed. Now let us again run this same program. Enter your name. Now I'm writing Ashutosh Sharma. I have written Ashutosh Sharma. It's a string. Yes, it is a string. So now if I run the program and if I press the enter key, it says that your name is Ashutosh. Okay, now the Sharma part. Okay, whenever spacebar is encountered in the string, then it gets terminated because we have used here the next method of the object of the class scanner. If we want to have a string which contains space or multiple spaces, then instead of the next method, we have to use the next line method. So now let us run the program again, and I'm giving here as the input here it's Ashutosh Sharma. Now I'm getting Ashutosh Sharma. Okay, so that's how we can use the next line method. So next, if we are using the next method of the class scanner, then only the single word will be extracted, and if the string contains multiple words, means if they are separated by space or multiple spaces, then other words will be skipped. They will not be treated as the part of the string, and only the first word will be taken. So if we want to have multiple words within the string which are separated by single or multiple spaces, then we have to use the next line method. So that's all about the strings.